As part of the Yogyakarta earthquake relief effort, world record ocean swimmer Monte Monfore assisted the United Nations World Food Programme in raising awareness and support for survivors of the tragedy. Following the disaster, the 45-year-old Californian who lives on the neighbouring island of Bali swam 12 kilometres in the Karimunjawa National Marine Park, located north of central Java in the South China Sea.
Okay, it's 4:35 in the morning. We're going to start. We're going to navigate by the stars because it's a moonless night. Navigate for the first hour by the stars. It's quite stormy and it's very windy and it's going to be a difficult swim, but we're going to give it a try. Okay, this swim is for the survivors of the Yogyakarta quake. Okay, everybody, ready? Lights ready? Okay, let's go.
Majukan, majukan lebih cepatkan.
This swim is to call attention to the devastation of the earthquake and the dire circumstances of those still suffering from the tragedy. Nearly 6,000 people lost their lives and some 650,000 were left homeless or displaced. Okay. Thank you.
You're doing good, man. Just stay to the left, yeah?
All right, let's go. Thanks.
Following the Jogja earthquake, thousands of survivors in central Java joined the hundreds of millions around the world for whom hunger is an everyday fight for survival. In the first 36 hours, the World Food Programme provided 30 tons of emergency food rations, enough to feed 20,000 people in the worst-hit areas. Within 1 week, more than 200 tons of provisions were delivered to some 170,000 people. Fighting the current for nearly 2 hours, it was difficult for Monte to break away from the departure island of Menyawakan.
I'm swimming to send a message to the world that those suffering from this tragedy require urgent humanitarian assistance. Once again, this beautiful country has been hit by a natural disaster, and the Indonesian people need our support.
Responding to major disasters around the globe, the World Food Programme provides emergency relief to some 90 million people a year. The WFP is the international community's frontline agency leading the ongoing fight against world hunger.
Gotta love that aqua.
Yeah. After 4 hours and 4 minutes battling winds and choppy seas, Monte finally reached the turquoise waters of uninhabited Kumbang Island, exhausted but elated. Well, all right. Congratulations, Monte. Monte, that's the world first and a new record. How do you feel?
Thank you very much. I feel very tired, but good and happy. This swim, however, is for those affected by the Yogyakarta quake. Hundreds of thousands have lost nearly everything, and they must begin rebuilding their lives. This recovery will cost an estimated $100 million. These wonderful people need our support now. Please give generously to the United Nations World Food Program. You can make a difference at www.wfp.org. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Monte.
Yay!